Man, it's so nice and cool. I think it was a little bit farther where we stopped. Yeah. Oh, this is the place that we stopped when we were coming down. Remember that? Where they have all the bamboos?
Oh, is this the place? Then?
Yeah, this is the place that we stopped at. I think that had
So
the
then my
mango.
carving's in there.
Yeah, your name should be there.
My name's
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah, yeah. Her name is there
My
in the
initials
bamboo.
are.
Yeah, yeah.
I carved them in there last year.
Yeah, it is.
Should be.
No, it will be.
Yeah.
Unless they cut the bamboo. Oh yeah, there's a spring. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. The creek. Look at another creek right here. Yeah. So